Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your AirPods to the Meta Quest 3. Now alternatively, this will actually work on most Bluetooth devices, but this is specifically for the AirPods. So I guess before we begin, I should also make note that there is a button here that we will need a bit later. So let's actually begin. Now, while you're in your Meta Quest 3, you will see quick settings. The quick settings icon, it's on the bar like it usually is. Just click it, then click Bluetooth. Once in Bluetooth, click on pair new device. And then that's when this comes in, okay? Your AirPods will have to be in the case. I guess I should mention that. Open the top of the case and then hold the back button that I showed you guys for about maybe 2-3 seconds until it starts blinking, and then that will be pair mode. Then it will show up on the device. You connect it. Once you connect it, it would say pair. If it fails, just double check, make sure that pair mode didn't turn off on the AirPods, and then there you go. You'll have them paired. Now you can go on YouTube or play a game and stuff. Make sure they're properly working for you, and to unpair, you just go to settings, click unpair, remove or device or forget device, and there you go. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.